Example 4, you are trying to choose a cell phone plan. Plan A has the following characteristics. It costs you $20 per month as a base fee and then $40 per minute of calling. This is calling. And then you have unlimited text. Plan B is $30 a month as a base fee, and then it's 15 cents per month of calling with also unlimited texting. So if talk time X is billed per minute, determine a cost equation for each plan based on the number of minutes. So plan A, if we were to talk about a cost function in terms of the number of minutes that we spend calling people, well, it costs 40 cents per minute, so it would be 0.4 times X plus its initial monthly fee, which would be 20. Plan B would be 0.15 times X plus $30. So the question is asking us to figure out which plan is cheaper, or at what point is one going to be cheaper than the other. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to figure out at what point do these plans actually cost the same? How many minutes could you be calling when these equations or plans cost the same? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a system of equations, solve these equations. So I'm going to substitute this equation in for C of X of the other. So I'm going to make my equations equal to each other and solve for X. So if I bring 0.15 to this side, I get 0.25X. Bring 20 to the other side, I get 10. Divide by 0.25, I get an X value of 40. So it's pretty obvious, right, that plan A is going to be cheaper up until 40 minutes of calling has been reached. And then at that time, then plan B would be cheaper. Okay, so then here we don't need to answer this question again. Determine an average cost per minute equation for each plan. Well, then average cost now per minute would be the total cost of each plan divided by the number of minutes we're calling. Same thing here. 0.15x plus 30 all over x. So by dividing this entire cost by x, that would give me an average cost per minute as opposed to a cost per minute plus a base fee. It would just represent an entire average cost, okay, which represents a rational function.